Hey, you guys, we are here. We are doing the sprite challenge, which is so we can burp the most. I know this is silly, whatever. Our first time doing it, we're just finding stuff to do together.
I know it sounds weird, but we're doing it.
Yeah, we're doing it. We're gonna do the pizza challenge so you can eat the most. That video is coming up soon. Um, yeah, I'm a singer. He's a singer. He likes to dance, so it's gonna be a variety of videos coming. This is our first upload a video. Okay, so we're gonna drink our drink and see who burps the most. Go. Can't burp yet. You gotta drink all your drink. Let me know you're done. Ready? Go. No more burps.
No more.
I won because I had four. You had three.
No, I won. You had